Alright everybody, there's something hidden on my... Yeah, I'm gonna move this beanbag out of the way. There's some outlets where you can plug something in here. Did you know what you can also do? Yeah, there, I'm gonna take this. You can also plug your portable DVD player or your iPad or computer or laptop here. And it actually works. This is the charger for my portable DVD player, and it's owned by Bush. There's the Bush logo on it. But sadly, it's like tangled. So if it's tangled, I might want to fix it. The radiators are working, and I can see that the Bush TV that plays DVDs is on because I tested DVDs in here. Let me go fix this wire. Alright, I fixed the wire on this DVD player charger. See, it has this thing. It's like my old laptop, owned by HP, but now it's owned by Asus, a Chromebook. And also has whatever that is. I don't know what this is. And press this. It says on. And if you look on the doesn't actually say off, doesn't it? And you can see this was made in the UK. Bush was a British brand, and you take it out, plug your portable DVD player, and this could be the best way to test DVDs on the portable DVD player. But the Bush TV that has DVDs, yeah, I'm gonna move this. That's where I keep my beanbag, the big pink one. And this is my new place, but it's different, my different place to plug my portable DVD player. So I can test DVDs on it. Goodly. Goodbye.